Alright, so today we're going to be headed to a resort on the hillside around Laguna de Apoyo. We're going to show you how awesome the place is, and we might even see a couple of monkeys here and there, and some wildlife, because I know that they have lots of that in that area.
And we're going to show you around the lake, and we're going to do kayaking, we're going to walk, and we're going to show you the food and everything.
Yeah, we're going to be swimming, we're going to be chilling, we're going to check out what we can do in the Laguna tomorrow.
Yes.
Alright?
Okay.
Awesome.
Woo!
There should be a lot of markers, a lot of billboards that says Laguna de Apoyo. If you miss that turn, you're gonna have to go back a long way, so just be on the lookout for that.
So here it is, right? This is the turn, and it's about like 20 minutes to get to the Laguna de Apoyo.
7 kilometers is like short, but the road is like going up and then going down and then going up. We didn't know that we were gonna stop here. We just saw that there was an opening and there were some tables and there was a small restaurant, and it's a place that locals go to, and as you can see, the view is very nice. Where we at now, you could see the Laguna de Apoyo very clearly because we're on top of the hills. This is an extinct volcano, so we're on the edge of the old crater. So if you could just imagine, before this used to be a very big volcano, and now it's filled with water from lots of years of rain.
Wow, it's really green. We arrived to our destination. Woo! So guys, we're here at Pacaya Lodge and Spa. We're hosted by them and we're very excited to be here. This is a really beautiful, awesome place. We're gonna show you right now our room.
We expected that there was going to be wildlife because we're kind of in the mountains, but we didn't expect that it was going to be this close. It's about 10 feet away from our balcony, and it's just, in the sun.
Look at me.
Alright. Sun. No sun.
Stop playing, baby.
Why? Where's the fun in that if you're not playing? Baby, what you doing?
Nothing. I'm doing nothing.
What do you mean you're doing nothing? You're doing something. I see you on the screen. You're like washing your face. Alright, so now we're going to be exploring because it's already late afternoon and the sun is going down, and as you can imagine, that's not good for videos, so we gotta hurry.
Oh my god, I just heard some monkeys. Oh god.
There we go.
Oh my god. It's there. Look.
They're just here. Look at that.
Look at.
Oh, you could see his balls sticking. He's calling for a mate. He's calling for a wife. best authority that I guess that's what they are.
I actually never seen so many monkeys close to humans. I mean, that close to humans, and that they feel so. They're not scared of us. And like I've seen other monkeys in other places, but they're more scared of the people. But these guys are like, you know. The mom and the baby.
Oh, I thought it was just one monkey. I didn't see. Look, there's two of them.
That's
the baby and then the mom.
The baby is there. Oh,
There you
look
go.
at
There's
this.
the baby.
That's the baby.
We're just walking around and suddenly there's like this hum and you'll hear that in the background. I think they're cicadas or crickets of some kind, but it's pretty loud.
Are you hungry right now? I'm not.
No, maybe just a drink or two or four. We'll see.
We asked for tostones con queso. Yum, yum. The food is here.
I am here.
Working.
Working on what?
On some stuff.
I see you're working very hard.
Looks like something's not right, but they're fixing it, so it's okay. This is what Google does to keep us entertained.
So it's 9 o'clock almost, and that's when the pool closes. That's what the staff told us. And we're alone, which is perfect, so that we could enjoy the nighttime pool.
And the view.
And in the back, you could see the lights. It's already late, so I don't really want to get wet. I'm just trying to see until where I can go without getting my clothes wet. What?
Come back.
I'm trying to see how deep it is. Okay. Alright. Beyond that, I can't go without wetting my shorts anymore.
Good night.
Wake up.
I woke up first.
You're still in bed. It doesn't count.
It's just so good.
You hear that? Even the monkeys are up.
Yeah. It's comfy. Stop it.
And there's a squirrel. Look.
She gets scared when she hears a monkey. So guys, this is our view in the morning. It's not that sunny because it's rainy season here in Nicaragua. But it's beautiful. You can see the fog right there, and a little bit earlier it was more foggy. You couldn't see not even the lake.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it away now. Enough. We're leaving the place, and in case you're wondering how much it is to stay here, we just confirmed. Depends on the season, but your going rate is usually between $150 to $190 a night. Okay, we're on to our next stop.
We're going to Laguna Beach. Yay! And then we're gonna go to Monkey Hut. We're gonna take some shots in both places. We're gonna show you kayaking and all the activities that you can do there. We're gonna have lunch there as well.
Hey, I'm Elena.
And I'm Silvia.
We are from Spain.
And you're watching
In Between Maps. Bye.